about perseverance to me. Then perseverance is important to me because I'm not study the logistics at all, but I entered the logistics industry after I graduated from my diploma. Before this, I think the logistics is just like I place the order from Lazada or Shopee, then the seller will pack the package and the abang will pick up and send to my doorstep. But after I enter the logistics industry, I feel that that is totally is different with my mindset at all. After I enter the industry, I feel that I'm like starting from the zero. I don't know nothing. I don't know at all everything about the logistics, import, export, everything is zero. But I try to ask and understand, also study from internet about the logistics. So I also told myself I can do it, but it's not like forcing me to continue this industry. And I also at this process I also have interest to the logistics. I also have think to quit from this industry, but I don't know what can I do after I quit from this industry. So I tell myself, I don't know what can I do for the future job. So I try to continue at this moment and do my best. And sorry. Then I feel that I'm improved a lot from this. I feel that I'm improved a lot because I'm not afraid for the failure. I try to solve everything I made in the job because I've tried the job before the shipping line. Before that I've tried the forwarding and also the depot. The depot is just like the container car park, because in our life we not usually will because like the work of table is not we can make everywhere or everything about the table in our lifestyle. So when I first enter the work of table, so I also feel very stressed because everything is unfamiliar to me. But luckily I have a good boss, a good colleague. They're willing to teach me everything from zero. Thank you.